Hi. So I keep saying I've grown up. Finally. About time. And today has been a very interesting day of reminders. It's been a reminder of what growing up actually means. And actually, it's just a lot of freedom is just responsibility, and responsibility is of people more than anything else. People, attach their dreams to you, they attach their vision to you, they attach their expectations to you, they attach their small desires to you, and I think it's just about fulfilling that. And what I'm realizing is that today is also Guru Purnima, and Guru Purnima is a great time to remind yourself, the toughest teachers were maybe the greatest. While we all thank the people who've been loving and kind and who've been there all along, there are other people who. Who were not just kind to you, who actually taught you the tough lessons, who maybe at that time you thought, okay, there was a betrayal, or they cheated you, or they did whatever. And those are what I call the dark teachers, right? The teachers who teach you what darkness looks like. And I think that is the biggest lesson of life, because shadow is from where the light comes, right? Or wherever you're broken is from where the light comes. And I think this is the time to also thank those teachers. Not all teachers come wrapped in honey. Some of them are tough, and at that time you may not recognize them, but I think whenever you recognize them, and I think everybody in our lives teaches us something, but there are some who kind of change your psyche, because ego death happens with a tough teacher. Ego death happens with the fact that when you don't get what you want, not necessarily when you do get what you want. Ego death happens with the loneliness and the abandonment and the betrayal, right? And I think while we focus on the good, I think it's very, very important to also focus on the darkness, because darkness is where the art is. Darkness is where the creation is. You can take everything that happens to you and convert it into art, and that's the magic of life. And that's what I'm rooting for. And I'm actually, today I've remembered so many people who otherwise I never think about, but when I think about them now, I just have gratitude that they crossed paths and they taught so much. And some of the most intense lessons have come from people who you would call who you not necessarily will put in the category of teachers, but they were maybe the greatest teachers. And I think it's time to also thank those. So day of gratitude, day of realizations, day of realizing you've grown up and you're carrying a lot with you. I'm a fan of inner life, but I'm also a fan of the fact that now there are expectations that you have to fulfill, and that's not that hard a burden anymore. It seems like you have to raise the capacity to fulfill those, and that's amazing grace. So day of grace, day of teachers, day of gratitude, amazing grace indeed. Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you, teachers, all of them, good, bad, ugly.